In front of me is LENOVO Tab P11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it to turn it off. In this case, select Close in the pop-up or turn it on. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and click on Location section over here. Then manage it thanks to this switcher next to Use Location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!